Quick service restaurants are faced with a lot of challenges. It's a very operationally intense industry, and they're faced with cost pressures, labor pressures, so anything you can do to make their job easier or reduce costs from the system will make it easier for them to operate their business.
We've spent quite a bit of time in the beverage marketplace. One of the reasons why we've done that is we feel like we've got a very unique value proposition when it comes to helping quick service restaurants, the McDonald's, the Chick-fil-A's of the world, really save money and make their operations more efficient.
We learned that CO2 is a working fluid for the bag-in-the-box, the syrup pumps for the soft drinks, even the ketchup dispenser, the automatic beverage dispensing unit that you see in the drive-through window. Those are all using CO2 as a working fluid, and they don't need to use CO2 for the working fluid. They can use compressed air.
So we spent some time with them. We ran some pilots with some of these QSRs. We put our product out there. We got some data. We had our engineers out there working with the folks in these QSRs. And we found that in one application, specifically around beverage dispensing, we were able to save the customer almost 40% of their CO2 usage because we were able to create a product that was smaller, quieter, more efficient, and more robust than anything else that was out there in the marketplace.
The response has been really good. It's obviously a mindset change as well in the industry when the industry standard is CO2. It goes in every store, right? It's part of what Coca-Cola does, but it allows McDonald's to remove all of those other auxiliary systems. So now you're only using CO2 to carbonate your beverage. So the requirement of CO2 usage has dropped significantly.
As customers are trying to solve any problems, it's very, very difficult to go get something off the shelf. Customers always need something customized, and the nuances of certain applications make it very difficult to just pick something off a catalog. And this is where Gast really shines. As you look at customizing your system, we can actually create a product, make it fit within the envelope you're looking for, hit the sound levels you're looking for, get the performance you want, get the energy efficiency you want. And more importantly, we're able to scale it up and provide the product to you globally anywhere you are. And I feel like that is what makes Gast special.